We have now the 3D drawing of the phone stand. So if we were to test and put the phone onto the phone stand, there will be a problem because we will find that there's no way I can charge the phone. So a solution is to create a hole for the cable to go through the phone. Of course, there's other ways as well. If I find that the hole is not too convenient, I can cut a slot. Right, by cutting a slot, I can remove this part, and then the cable can go in, and I don't have to detach the cable when I'm removing the phone. However, this slot might be too small, so I can also choose to cut a wider slot. Okay, with the hole as a reference, I can now cut a wider hole. So by sketching all this out, so it gives me a very good idea of how my phone can be, how my phone stand can be, right? And also, if you were to look at another features, okay, of course the first option, the second is ergonomics. Okay, so the safety would be if I were to find that if I were to look at all the corners, they're very sharp. The phone is very sharp, so I will try to round the corners of the phone stand, around the corner of the phone stand by drawing curves on all the sharp corners. Once we have rounded all the corners, we can now start to hatch, right? By using with the corners, we can hatch using straight lines, right? So on the curve, right? On the curve, it will be darker. Towards flat, it's lighter. So we can use the same method. We go through all the curves, right? Hatch through all the curves. So this has quite a bit of curves on it, so we will take our time to add in the hatching for the curves. So once the curve is done, we can now add in the cross line, right, to show the end grain. So once we're done with the end grain, we can now put in the lines to show the long grain. Okay, so now we have a 3D drawing with our hatching rendering. Once we have gotten this stage, it's time now to export all our drawings, okay, to our Keynote. So we can go back and look for our drawings. So starting with the one that is detached with the exploded parts not joined together, we can export them, right? Export them to the Keynote. So we will export them to our photo. So once it's exported to the photo, we can now go to our Keynote and start to import them into our Keynote. So there should be 3 drawings. The first drawing would be the one that is exploded, it means they are not joined together, 2 parts, right? Then the second drawing is the one that is joined together, and the third drawing is the one with the hatching and the development of the phone stand. So development including the charging port and also the rounded corners, right? So that should be all for now.